I'm Santina with WTI. If your man is looking for a great new pair of casual shoes, I highly recommend you check out these TOMS men's Alpargata loafers. So my husband recently got these and we both really like them. One thing that we love is the color and material. So they're a nice, neutral, creamy color. They go with so many things. He wears them with shorts, with jeans, just a lot of options there. And the material is really nice as well. It has kind of a linen feel, which is really unique for a pair of shoes. So we really like that too. Also, he says they're super comfortable. So of course, that's a really important thing with any pair of shoes. They're great for going on walks and they're slip-on, so they're super easy. So easy to wear, comfortable, looks great. I think that's a winning combination and I hope that you guys will love these as much as we do. And that's my point of view.